Paano naman natin i-classify o i-describe ang nature of roots of the given quadratic equation? Okay? Ito yung ating table. Meron tayong discriminant value, meron tayong nature of roots, at kung ano yung mga example o yung possible examples niya. Okay, we have 4 cases. Ang case number 1, if the discriminant value is 0. Number 1, d equals 0, meaning that if the discriminant value is 0, the nature of roots is what we call as real and equal. Okay, kung mapapansin natin dito, okay, kapag ang nakuha nating value ng d or discriminant value is 0, automatically, ang nature of roots niya ay tinatawag nating real and equal. Kapag ang d natin ay 0. Next, how about case number 2? If the discriminant value is greater than 0 and it is a perfect square. Again, our d is greater than 0. Ano yung kanyang magiging nature of roots? Ang tawag sa kanyang nature of roots ay rational but not equal. Ano yung mga possible example niya? Kapag ang d value mo or discriminant value mo, kapag nakakuha ka ng 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. At ito ay tinatawag nating perfect square. Okay, dahil perfect square ang 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25. How about case number 3? If the discriminant value is greater than 0 but not perfect square. Number 3, d greater than 0, irrational and not equal ang tawag sa kanyang nature of roots. Uulitin ko, ang tawag sa kanya kapag d or the discriminant value is greater than 0 but not perfect square, irrational and not equal. Ano yung mga halimbawa niya or examples? Kapag ang nakuha mong value ng iyong d ay 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay? Hindi siya perfect square. Pero greater than 0. Mas mataas na ng 0. Therefore, the nature of roots is what we call as irrational and not equal. Okay, how about case number 4? If the discriminant value is less than 0. Ano ba yung mga less than 0? Ibig sabihin, yun yung may mga negative values. Okay, number 4, d is less than 0. Okay, kung mapapansin natin, lahat ng magiging example niya, all negative values. At ang tawag sa kanyang nature of roots ay tinatawag nating has no real solutions or has no real roots.